to try and engineer happening here
Mm-hmm.
is actually trying to get the gear on the corner.
Exactly.
To do that, you've got to look quite nice and far to go around to get the steering set.
Yeah.
And you've got to relax the hands as well.
Do it.
Alright, to be able to do it. Alright. Try not to snatch at it. You'll have much more time than you realise. Alright?
Yeah.
So, look far, get the steering finished, and second. There you go.
Yeah.
Magic.
Yeah.
So steering and gearing is wrong. So you shouldn't be doing the steer with one hand and changing gear.
Yeah.
But were we actually steering the wheel or were we just holding it?
Just holding it.
That's fine then.
Yeah.
There's a big difference with that as well. Alright, cracking job, well done mate.